Are you looking for the best electric car jacks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric car jacks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Pilot Automotive Electric Car Jack. Pilot Automotive Electric Car Jack offers the ultimate car lifting thanks to its 4,100 pounds weight lifting capacity. It is ideal equipment when it comes to accessing automotive undercarriage. It features a 12-foot cord that will enable you to access all areas of your vehicle. The car jack can lift your car from the height of 11 to 34 centimeters off the ground. The jack is easy to use and set up without requiring extra labor to lift the vehicle. This car jack also features a circuit breaker that protects your car from wiring due to overload. It includes a rugged storage case that offers organized storage. In addition, it has LED light for easy operation at night and dim places. At number 4. The Spare Kit Company Electric Scissor Jack. This all-inclusive set by the Spare Kit Company is a savior when it comes to tire changing and repairs. The set has all safety equipment that is well packaged in an easy-to-carry case. It also contains an electric scissor jack that raises and lowers your vehicle with just a push of a button. In addition, the package includes wheel chocks that keep the car stationary, a pair of protective gloves, battery clips with 12 volts DC sockets, reflective safety triangle sign, hand cranks, and storage case. The electric winch easily removes most lug nuts. With a weight capacity of 3 tons, this car jack can lift most SUVs and city cars. At number 3. Powerbuilt 620,484 12 volts electric jack. Topping our chart is this amazing electric car jack by Powerbuilt. It has a 1-ton weight capacity and effortlessly lifts your car off the ground up to 14 inches high. Just plug it into a 12 volts outlet and with just a press of a button, it will start lifting. Everyone experiences flat tires here and there, especially when on a road trip. The best part is that it comes with an inbuilt 115 psi inflator that you can use to air up your flat tire up to the appropriate pressure. You don't have to get all greasy and dirty in order to change your tire. Therefore, make this electric car jack your traveling companion. At number 2. Jack Quick JQ3500B Electric Tongue Jack. I purchased this electric jack in 2015 and I don't have any regrets whatsoever. I drive an SUV and the weight capacity, 3650, of this jack makes the lifting effortless. In addition, it has LED lights that make it easy to work at night. It is water resistant since all the electrical components are protected by a plastic housing. The package includes a manual override crank, an oversized zinc-plated footplate, and a protective vinyl cover. Lastly, this product comes with a 1-year replacement warranty. At number 1. Marchin 12 volts DC 3.0T 6,600 pounds electric hydraulic floor jack. I bought Marchin electric jack for my brother last year and he is still impressed with it. He drives a truck and therefore he needed an electric jack with a higher weight capacity. I chose this kit because of the 6,600 pounds weight capacity. That aside, it boasts a 12 volts DC power supply and LED lamp for those roadside emergencies. It also comes with 2 sleeves with 4 sizes of 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, 23 mm that is suitable for most vehicles. This jack has a cross-groove saddle which prevents the vehicle from slipping. The best safety feature that I loved about this jack is that even when there is sudden power interruption, the self-locking feature and unloading knob will prevent the jack falling down immediately. When the power is back on, the jack will continue working according to instruction. Lastly, you don't have to worry about repairs at night thanks to the LED lamp. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.